Hello student, today we continue our lesson number 4. Now I want to draw pentagon using procedure. First we want to define procedure using 2. So I type here 2 space pentagon. Now execute. Now here we type our command, repeat 5 FD 30 space RT 72 and OK. Now here I write and OK. Now our pentagon is defined. Now here I want to run pentagon, so I type here pentagon and execute. So you can see here our pentagon is draw using our turtle. Now to draw other pentagon, you have to position the turtle. To position the turtle, define another procedure using position command. So I type here to position and execute. Here I write command RT 135 PU. PU stands for pan up command. FD 60 space PD. PD means pan down. Space LT 90. LT means left side. Now OK. Here I write and OK. Now position is defined. Now in recall list box I type repeat 4. Here I write pentagon space another procedure position and execute. So you can see our different pentagon is draw using our turtle. Now next topic is how to save our procedure. Now you click on file menu and save, and here I can write, first I select my folder and here I write my file name. Suppose I give test_p and save. So our command will be saved in that file. Now next topic is how to load procedure. So first we create new file. Now I want to load my save procedure, so I click on file, then load. Now here you can see test_p, our logo file. Select this file and open. Now our procedure will be loaded in this file. Now you want to type here to pentagon because I am save pentagon procedure in that file. So I type here pentagon. See, our file will be load. Now again I want to load another procedure. So I type here repeat 4 pentagon space position, because position is also saved in that file. So I type here position and so you can see here our output. Now how to edit procedure. So you want to click on idle button. You can see here idle button. You can click on idle. Now here you can see your procedure. I am saving two procedure. First is pentagon and second is position. So you can see here our two procedure are saved in that file. Now I want to edit this procedure. Now to edit any procedure, first go to the line with the arrow key and make changes using backspace key. Now suppose I want to edit this. I write here RT100 and LT100. After edit procedure, you can just go into the file menu and save and exit. Now again I write this command, and first of all we can clear our screen and clear our text using CS and cd command. Now I write here repeat 4 and write pentagon space position and header execute. So you can see our output will be changed because we can change edit in our procedure, so our output will also change. Now I want to delete a procedure. So here click on file menu, erase. Now click on procedure name and OK. So our procedure will be deleted. Now you can just check our procedure will be deleted or not. Just click on idle. So you can see here our procedure will be deleted. I hope you understand how to save procedure, load a procedure, edit procedure and delete a procedure. Thank you for watching this video.